In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Atlassian API token. If you're connecting automation tools, custom scripts, or third-party apps to Atlassian services, using an API token is one of the safest and most reliable ways to authenticate. It helps you avoid failed logins and authorization errors, and it keeps your workflows much more secure than relying on a regular account password. The good news is that Atlassian makes this process straightforward once you know where to go. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to id.atlassian.com. If needed, sign in to your Atlassian account through the normal login page. Once you're inside your account hub, look toward the top navigation area and select Security. This is where Atlassian keeps your account protection settings, including the tools needed to manage API access. After the security page opens, scroll down through the available settings until you find the section labeled API Token. In that section, click Create and Manage API Tokens. This will take you to the area where you can view existing tokens and create new ones for your integrations. If you already have tokens listed there, that's normal. Just make sure you're creating one for the specific workflow or app you plan to use. Next, look for the Create API Token button and click it once. A small setup window will appear, and this is where you'll define the token before generating it. The key thing here is the label field. In the label box, enter a clear and professional name that helps you recognize what the token is for later. For example, you might name it something like Python Web Scraper Automation. Keeping the label concise and descriptive makes future management much easier, especially if you create multiple tokens over time. Once your label is entered, click Create. Atlassian will then generate the token for you and display it on screen. This is the most important part of the process because for security reasons, the full token will only be shown at the moment it is created. If you close the window or move away without saving it, you'll need to create a new one. Now click Copy and immediately store the token somewhere secure, such as an environment file or the appropriate credentials field in your automation platform, script, or application. Be careful not to paste it into an insecure document or share it publicly. After that, you can use it in your integration and test the connection to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully created an Atlassian API token and prepared it for secure use in your automation or development workflow.